Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 long wheelbase Ford Transit Custom. Now this one is a crew cab and it does come with 6 cloth lined seats. Along with that we do have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, hands-free calling, voice assist, cruise control, heated seats at the front, as well as a reversing camera and air conditioning as well. This has done just under 21,000 miles, has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type as well. Now I'll just show you into the back 3 seats as well. As you can see, also imagine that cloth as well. So plenty of room in here for anyone you may want to carry. And I will just show you the load area at the back. As you can see, it is ply lined, interior lit, a slight bit of mesh into the cab at the front as well, and a pristine, undented, unscratched bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this vehicle did only use it for light loads. Now, if you'd like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or come visit our site in Padworth near Reading.